Alright guys, welcome. Today we're looking at direct variation. There are two types of variation. You have direct and you have indirect. Now, direct variation, as one increases, the other increases. With indirect variation, as one increases, the next decreases. But we're not looking at that today, we're looking at this one. Alright. So it says table shows the corresponding values of P and R. Calculate the value of M and N given P varies directly as R cubed. So the first thing we have to do is to just examine what we are given. So we are given these values. So M, we are looking for M, but they give us R to be 0.2 and 6.25 is P. Are we supposed to find N? So first, let us say this is how we set it out. So we write up this statement in mathematical terms. P varies directly to R cubed. Now what we have to do is to find the relationship between P and R. Now to find that, we have to find some constant K. So let us put in that. So K, searching for K. Now what I want you guys to do is to look at the ones that is complete. For example, they give us 4 and 2. So we are going to use this to determine the relationship between P and R. So let us do that now. Put in what we know, what we have, the information, and then we solve for K. So P is 4, so we put the 4 there. What's K? We don't know K, so we can just put back K there. But we know R. R is 2. So this is 2 squared. Cube rather. So now what we basically have to do is to find K. Now K, if we have 4 here, is divided, this is time, so it will be divided by 2 cubed. We can work it out. So 4, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 cubed is the same thing as this guy. 2 times 2 times 2. So that will work out to 8. So therefore K, reduce this. So K is equal to a half. So now that we know that K is equal to a half, we can substitute the values for this. So now we want to find M when R is 0.2. So write back the information, which is P varies directly to R cubed. So now we can just put in the information that we have. We don't know P, so we can just put M. K is a half, so put a half. And R is 0.2. So that would be 0.2 cube. So work out that. Just use the calculator to do everything. Let's see what we get. So that's work out to 0.04. Alright, so M would be 0.04. Alright, so let us find N now. So we do the same thing. P varies directly to R cubed. This time we know P. So P is 62.5. Varies. K is still a half because that's the constant. That means it don't change. And then we're looking for R. So we can just transpose, right? We get rid of this half by times in a half, by times in 2. But we do to one side, we do to both sides. So this times 2 is equal to R cubed. Could just rewrite. So R cubed is equal to 62.5 times 2, 2510, 125. So now we can solve for r. The opposite of r cube is the cubic. So we find the cubic and we do that for 125. So what number you multiply by itself that can give you 125? The answer is 5. Alright, I will have a question for you guys. Leave it in the comment section. Alright guys, so this one says if m varies directly to v square, calculate the value of m when v is equal to 6, and the value is marked C. So leave that in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Guys, if you want to get a distinction, you have to work constantly working and pushing. Do the questions. Alright, I'm out. Take care.